I saw that when Daniel Johnson spoke, I saw a lift. When Damien Lowe spoke, I saw a lift, right? The few times.
You are no less of a Jamaican.
No less.
No less of a Jamaican that they are born in Egypt, England, America, Australia. And if you're born in the sky, you're no less of a Jamaican. And I think that's just...
Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another video. I'm your host Jomar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the most interesting, riveting and hot sports topics, debates on the internet.
That's right.
Back again.
Right now is a hot video. A short one but hot.
Hot.
We'll be talking about the leadership in the Jamaican national team. So yeah.
And we mean player leadership.
Yeah, player leadership.
Yeah.
If we want to go the administrative leadership, then that's a whole different video.
A whole different set of videos.
It can't hold it can't hold. We have to do a live.
Foolishness. We have to do a live to talk about administration. But yeah, today we're talking about player leadership. And by that we mean the leadership structure of the team. Before we start, guys, to our knowledge, the captain structure of the team right now is Andre Blake, Damien Lowe, Kemar Lawrence, and I don't remember who is the fourth one. But I know it's Andre Blake, Damien
Definitely,
Kemar
those are the three.
I don't remember.
Maybe Mariappa after that.
There's one more, right? Yeah, I think Mariappa after that. So those are the four captains of the Reggae Boys, right? I'm sure about the first three. Anyways, This or That Sports TV, or better yet, I'm not talking for us, I'm talking for myself. I believe that the captain structure in the Reggae Boys program is flawed. And I think it needs to be shaken up. You know, I just don't think that the people who are designated to lead the team are in fact the leaders of the team. And I think because of politics, these appointments were made, and I think they have to be undone in order for Jamaican football to progress and continue to grow from strength to strength. It starts on the pitch. What do you think?
But why do you say that though? It's just, you know.
Alright, so first of all, from what I can see,
why do you think it's set up in the wrong way, our leadership group?
Alright, let me give you guys a history lesson, right? People, you know, you come here from Jomar, mega teaching, isn't it? Anyways, Donovan Ricketts is my favorite Reggae boy of all time, right? I think one of the biggest servants for the Reggae Boys. And he would have been the out and out captain for the Reggae Boys, right?
Yeah.
After Donovan Ricketts officially retired from international football, the two captains were announced. Rudolph Austin, I think rightfully deserved, and the vice captain was Adrian Mariappa. Dean, and then Rudolph Austin didn't last much longer after he was appointed the captain. And then after waiting for the official appointment of Adrian Mariappa, things were shaken up with the appointment of the new coach. And the captaincy was given to Andre Blake, Damien Lowe, and Kemar Lawrence, right? That became our captain structure. And I disagree with the accession of Andre Blake to captaincy when it should have easily with Mariappa. Not only do I believe by way of accession that Mariappa should have gotten it, but it's also clear to see that Mariappa is one of the most committed, dedicated and loyal Jamaican players, period, regardless of where he was born, right? He loves this country just as much as me and you, and it's very obvious. And also, at the time, he was our best central defender, right? And also, he was clear and by far away the best leader, and he still is. He's still, I would say, the guy who bridges the gap between local and dual nationals. I would also say he's just a person that everybody likes, that everybody rallies around, but he's also very serious about his craft, serious about football, and serious about Reggae Boy football, right? I truly do believe that Adrian Mariappa has done his dues, he's paid his dues, he's done his time, and I think he should be the captain. With that said, in the same breath, I just don't think Andre Blake is doing enough as the captain. I think Andre Blake is, first of all, I don't think he is very accepting. You know, I don't think he's widely loved and revered by the whole cohort of players. You know, I think he's more isolated to his set of people, and he's not necessarily somebody that bridges a gap, right? On the field, I don't see him holding his head up and rallying I don't see the guys rally around Andre Blake, right? I don't mind Damian Lowe being a captain of the team, you know, from what I can see, the opener, but I do think as it relates to the captain order, it should be Mariappa and then maybe Lowe after that, or Blake.
Well, yeah, I agree with you wholeheartedly on every single point that you made. We spoke about this at length on several different occasions. So I won't even go on to repeat everything that you just said. What I want to do though is question some of it, because maybe we just have it wrong. You know, some of the things that people will say, Andre Blake is the goalkeeper for Philadelphia Union. So how can we say he's not a good leader when he captains his club and he captains our country? A successful MLS team. So what say you to that?
That is a good point, and from what I can see, Andre Blake seems to be such a good leader when playing for Philadelphia Union. But Andre Blake also seems to be a completely different player. I think when Andre Blake just started to assume a leadership role for the Reggae Boys, he was outstanding. In the first Gold Cup when he captained us, he was like absolutely amazing, like top talent, top tier. He just seemed very good, and he seemed like he had, you know, the trust of the players and whatever. But I think the evolution of football, it kind of is catching up on Andre Blake, and as such, he just doesn't seem as confident. And I think maybe the pressure of the job is also getting to him. One suggestion that I make jokingly, but I think it's something that we can look into, is I would give Andre Blake the number 18 shirt, you know, and have Mikel Antonio wear the number 13 shirt, and have Amal Knight or Dwayne wear the number 1 shirt, right? Because I truly do believe that Andre Blake just looks better in the number 18, and maybe, you know, shake something up. Because I don't see the confidence and dominating leadership, the assertiveness that I need to see from my captain on the field, and I just want to be more assured in Andre Blake, and I just don't feel that.
Also, some information for the people watching this video. So it is said that the reason why Andre Blake got the captaincy over Mariappa is because, you know, when the previous head coach took over, he said that it is not fit for a person that was not born in Jamaica to be leading our national team. I think that that's madness. That is disrespect to everybody, every single Jamaican that was born outside of this country. You are no less of a Jamaican.
No less.
No less of a Jamaican whether you're born in Egypt, England, America, Australia. Or if you're born in the sky, you're no less of a Jamaican. I think that's just spitting every single dual national space.
At the end of the day, our motto is literally out of
many one people. So if that is the reason for Andre Blake being the captain over Adrian Mariappa, boy, that just goes to show that this man was making bad decisions from the jump.
From the jump.
Yeah, so people, let us know in the comment section, man. What do you think on this topic? Should Andre Blake be the captain, or should it be Adrian Mariappa, or should it be someone else? You know, should it be Mikel Antonio? You know, the people that we see leading the team. Yeah. I must say though, in the match that we saw, we were there, no fans, so we could hear every single thing. Some things I cannot repeat on YouTube right now. You understand? Andre Blake was one of the more vocal players on the field, but in being vocal did not come in tactics or in controlling the game or being a dominant figure. It more came in motivation. And
nor did I see it galvanize the people. I saw that when Daniel Johnson spoke, I saw a lift. When Damian Lowe spoke, I saw a lift, right? The few times Mikel Antonio would have said something, I saw the difference, right? It seemed as though Andre Blake's
and those word, are our captains?
It seems as though Andre Blake's word was just going over everybody's head. And it was like, whatever, you know? Yeah. But when Damian was like, guys, let's get this done, let's do this, like, come on, like we saw. So, Damian Lowe, I think, is even more fitted for the job.
No, Damian Lowe, we can see it on the field. Damian Lowe is a bigger presence than Andre Blake. Yeah. For sure, Damian Lowe is a bigger presence than Andre Blake. So, I agree with everything. Adrian Mariappa is more fit to be the captain for me. You know, Damian Lowe would be my vice captain and then Andre Blake. Yeah. So yeah, let us know in the comment section. You agree with us? Or you disagree? Let us know. Can run it up.
With that being said, guys, we're not even gonna do a long outro. You already know what I'm going to say. Each one of you share the video, get us 5 subscribers. Do the thing now. With that said, this is This or That Sports TV.
And we're out.
Yeah.